Today marks a significant day for Samsung as they are on the verge of unveiling the new Galaxy S24 series. However, just before this momentous event, we are treated to another unboxing video of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's worth noting that we saw 3 unboxing videos of the Galaxy S24 Ultra yesterday, but now S Universe has posted an unboxing video of not only the S24 Ultra, but also the S24 and S24 Plus. In the video, we get a glimpse of the Galaxy S24 Ultra in the stunning titanium violet color, and it looks absolutely beautiful. A noticeable change in the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the use of a flat screen instead of the curved screens we've seen in previous models. The Galaxy S24 Plus, on the other hand, is presented in marble gray, and it aligns with what we've already seen in renders. Finally, the Galaxy S24 comes in a sleek black color. Moving on, there have been some additional real-life photos shared. One photo showcases the Galaxy S24 Ultra in titanium violet, and the second picture, we see the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra in various colors, including titanium gray, non-titanium violet, and amber yellow. Each device boasts an attractive and elegant appearance. Now, on the day when these top-tier Android phones are set to make their official debut, it's a bit surprising that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra made an unexpected appearance on an official Samsung website in the Caribbean. This happened ahead of the scheduled Unpacked announcement event. Samsung swiftly removed the listings, but Google Cache versions are still available, featuring official images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra in 4 eye-catching colors. Shifting focus to performance, a Twitter user shared Geekbench scores for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. These scores reveal impressive single-core and multi-core performance, further solidifying the device's capabilities. Notably, the US version of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, as we eagerly await the official unveiling of the Galaxy S24 series, it's evident that Samsung enthusiasts are in for a treat. These unboxing videos and leaks have given us a sneak peek into what promises to be a remarkable lineup of smartphones. The anticipation is building as we get closer to the Unpacked event. Speaking of which, the timing of these leaks and reveals is quite intriguing. It's not every day that we see such revelations just a day before a major product launch event. It keeps us on the edge of our seats, wondering if Samsung has more surprises in store for us during the event itself. Moving on to the camera capabilities of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's clear that Samsung is making strides in this department. The improved zoom functionality is particularly noteworthy, promising cleaner and more impressive images in low-light conditions. This addresses a common concern with smartphone photography, and users can look forward to capturing stunning shots even in challenging lighting situations. But it's not just the camera that's getting an upgrade. The performance of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to set new standards. With more efficient animations and overall smoother performance on One UI 6.1, Samsung is aiming to deliver an unparalleled user experience. It's evident that they are pushing the boundaries to ensure that this flagship phone stands out from the competition. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.